Washington, D.C. And that is the kind of stuff that happens all the time. Yeah. And I've got a lot of really great friends from my whole life, and colleagues who model directors, art directors, production
Fuck
designers.
off,
They have their own
dude.
shops. They have their own shops. They have their own shows going. They have their own projects, booths downstairs, and I love checking in with those guys.
Do you mind if you come?
I usually.
Just one final note while I'm editing this. I strongly believe that if I did not stop, I would have met that other car coming the other way. Because I pulled over, he was able to get over. He should not have made that pass. He should have seen me and he should have pulled back into his lane.